Christmas cheer to the characters from Despicable Me. Our Rockin' Railway is ready for boarding. If you would like to get a holiday photo, then step forward and climb aboard, because it's full steam ahead.
And you can write whatever you want to Santa, and I'll put it right in there in that huge magical mailbox, and it will be sent directly to Santa. So whenever you're ready, just write it down right here, okay? I'll see you in a bit. Perfect, wonderful. Aha. We also have a very special experience right here at the post office. Do you want to know what that is? We have an augmented reality for you to experience here at Santa's post office. So, all you gotta do is scan this QR code. If you follow me right here, oh, and I will take that. Thank you very much. There you go. Great. All you gotta do is take out your fancy devices. It could be Apple or banana or pear or whatever you want, okay? Just scan right here and just point your camera right over there, and you get to immerse yourself with our very own Santa's Post Office augmented reality. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Go on now and scan the QR code right here. You guys got it?
And welcome to the Rockin' Railway. It looks like our next passengers are arriving, so let's all give a big Christmas cheer to the characters from Sesame Street.